You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 16.9k at this very area on the one-day chart, and we are seeing this very consolidation in the market. And consolidation means that the market is building momentum. There is a strength that is building right here. And on the 4-hour chart, you see the market move right to the upside, and this very level of support is supporting the market to move to the upside right now. Is this support going to break and market is going to go back down, or we're going to see market move back to the upside? On the 4-hour chart, BTC USDT right here, and on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart as well. What are we expecting today? Are we expecting this market to break on the support, or from here we're going to see market move to the upside? All of this and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational contents. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USD 1-day chart, if you look at this very point, market move up, move back to the downside, move up again. And if you notice here, this very low with the week is lower than the previous low at this very point, which is very, very important. And when market come back down in this form of retracement, it could not make a new low to this very area. Market move up, creating a new high. So we are seeing a little bit of, higher high at this very point. Okay, so this one is low, this one is a high, higher than this very one. So market is moving up plus this very higher high at this very point, and this is a higher low. So are we expecting this market to break on this resistance and move to the upside, or market should come back down a little bit before that very particular movement? What I am expecting on the chart right now is the market to move back up. Remember, in my immediate last video, I talked about, my analysis video, not for Launchpad, I talked about the market coming back down, and if the market move up, we are not going to see any aggressive movement to the upside. Reason why? We have this very strong move to the downside, very strong. A market cannot just fly up like that because of this very strong move to the downside. So even though market move up, it will be a very sluggish movement to the upside before it will then drop back down. Then there will be a final confirmation that market is not going to go back down again before that rally to the upside. So what I am expecting right now is the market moving back down a little bit before continuation to the upside. So I'm expecting the market to move back down into this level of support. That is this very level of support right here. Market should move back down into this level of support before we see the market move back to the upside again. Now, in as much as I'm expecting the market to move back down, then also pay attention to this very level of support. This is a very strong support right at this very area. And this support, remember, we have support here, we have support right here. Market can come back down into this level of support again before we can see a final push to the upside. So your attention should be on this support as first target and this very support as well. A breakout here, as you all know, we send the market back down to 14 and 13k on BTC USD 1-day chart. So this is what I am paying attention to. Market should come back down. I am not expecting market to move back up. Even if you see the market move back up, it will be a very slow movement to the upside, or possibly a fake out to the upside, and market will drop back down. Reason why we are seeing a lot of resistance on the market from this very area, and this is very clear. This very area is very clear on the 4-hour chart. So if you look at the 4-hour chart here, BTC USDT, if you look at this very area, we are having this very strong support at this very point. You see the market move up with this good move to the upside, then come back down again. This movement to the upside, come back down, move again, come back down, and right here, and this very sharp drop. If you look at the way the market dropped from here to the downside, is very aggressive compared to the way it moved to the upside. That is very important, guys. So what I am paying attention to on the 4-hour chart right now is the market should come back down a little bit, and we'll see the market move up and then come back to break this very level of support. So the most important thing you have to pay attention to on this level of support is a breakout. A breakout right on this level of support to the downside with a significant bearish candle is going to set the market back down into this level right here. So after the breakout, expect the market to come back into this very area of 16,100 guys. After this breakout, market is going to come back into this very area. This is what I am paying attention to right now. We have seen a lot of spike on the candle wick at this very point and also at this very area. Not only that, there's a severe move to the downside. This very candle is very aggressive compared to the way market was moving to the upside at this very point. Momentum trading will help explain the reason why I am saying that markets have high capacity of breaking this level of resistance before that continuation to the downside. So pay attention to this, guys. But before that will happen, like I said, we're going to see the markets move up a little bit before that very breakout on the support. But your attention should be on the breakout of this level of support. On the 4-hour chart ETH, if you look at here as well, you see the market move from this very area to the upside, come back right down, move again, and have difficulty of moving to the upside from this area to this very level. Could not create a new high, had in the previous high at this very area. That means that the markets have lost momentum for the bullish move to the upside. So what that also means is that the market is going to come back right down. So I'm expecting the market to come back down from where the market is right now. Market should come back into this level of support. Then from here we can see the market move up again and then come back and break this level of support. So the main thing I am focusing on right now on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart is also a breakout on this level of support. Remember, this level is a very strong level because on the previous price action we see support at this very area, resistance here, resistance at this very point, resistance at this very area. We have support here and support at this very area. So it's a very strong and important level to pay attention to, guys. Is very important. Then a breakout on this level is very possible for the market to come back down, and your target after that breakout is this very level of support. That means once the breakout occur on this very level, your first target should be on this very area, that is the 1.161k dollars on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart at this very point. So these are what you should be paying attention to right now on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart. And then if we look at BNB USDT 4-hour chart as well, if you look at this very area on BNB, you see this very point is a very strong level as well, and I am expecting a breakout on this very level of support. Not only that, if you look at it very well, you see a descending line of triangle from this very area to the downside. Okay, descending triangle, which means that the market have capacity of breaking right on this very level of support to the downside, and your target will be the base of this very triangle right here. So from here to this very point will give us the target to the downside. So from here right here to this very level will give us what our target will be if we see a breakout, or when we see a breakout from here to the downside. So I'm expecting the market to come back into this level of support. So this level of support is where you should expect the market to come back into after a breakout on this very area of support on BNB. So BNB will break out here with a significant bearish candle to the downside. Will be a nice time to take a short position on futures for the market to move back down into this level of support as well. So here as well on the BTC USDT 4-hour chart, a breakout here, nice short position on futures to the downside to this level of support as well, and also on ETH. So ETH USDT 4-hour chart is the same thing. A nice time to take a short position on futures for the market to come back into this level of support is very important. So this is what I am paying attention to on the BTC USD 1-day chart, 4-hour chart, ETH 4-hour chart, and BNB 4-hour chart. What do you think about the market, especially on the 4-hour chart right at this area? Do you think this market is going to, from where it is right now, that is the 16.9k level, and move sharply to the upside, then come back down a little bit before the next continuation again, or it's going to follow this analysis and market is going to drop back down a little bit before that initial continuation. So comment below right now in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the link down below in the description of this very video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.